Good day. This is our session of HJT views on current affairs. Today, we will discuss the need for restricting the number of years that an executive head can head the government. In my view, the highest executive position of the country, and that is the office of the PM, should not be held by an individual for more than 2 terms. And not continuous terms, more than 2 terms. Even if there is a break in between, 10 years or 2 terms, suppose the second term or the first term is a little longer, it does not make a difference. 2 terms, and then that person automatically gets disqualified from being the prime minister. The question that arises is, why is it that I am feeling this way? And obviously, the first impact of this thinking would be on the existing PM, Shri Narendra Modi, who in the year 2024 will complete 2 terms of 5 years each and 10 years of total prime ministership. The reason why I'm saying this is there is a need to bring in a different thinking into the highest executive office of the land. Just as the American president cannot have more than 2 terms in office, the Indian PM also must not have more than 2 terms in office. It is very, very necessary that his own party and the country must dig deep and find out somebody who is able to occupy that position. It is very difficult to accept that in a country of so many crores or billion people plus, we cannot get a person who can be a PM, and that the same person could carry on for term after term, provided he wins the election. Even if he wins the election, his term of office cannot be more than 2 terms. I think it is very necessary for our democracy to progress in the right manner, and we throw up different leadership at the highest executive position, that this must somewhere or the other get accepted by the political parties, and maybe a constitutional amendment be passed saying that no person can hold office for more than 2 terms. I think it will clear the way for people to believe that they also stand a chance for reaching the highest position. Their thinking, their emotions, their way of working, their styles, etc., don't get extinguished by one person being able to continue forever and ever. And very importantly, the nation shows that it has a repository of leadership which is capable of taking over and delivering. We need to ensure that no person can lead as prime minister for anything more than 10 years. The immediate impact is, of course, on the existing PM, but that's okay. This is a long term idea, and somewhere or the parliamentarians need to discuss this. It is only then that we will move into looking at different people, and we will look at different families The same dynasty cannot just keep on being in position, the same person of the same dynasty. India now, as a democracy, needs to grow up. And the best way it can grow up is by restricting the highest position of the land to only 2 terms. It's a very long shot, fully aware that this is not going to be accepted by many. But if we are concerned about India, if we are concerned about India's leadership, if we are concerned about India's democracy, we need to bite this bullet and bring in the fact that no PM can have a executive office life of more than 2 terms. That ends my talk of today. I hope you have liked it and you appreciate it, although you may not agree with it. Please share this talk with your colleagues, friends, etc. I will end this session now. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Mumbai.